How to withdraw money from Cash App. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to withdraw money from Cash App. The first step is to open or launch the Cash App mobile application. Once you have done that, go to the bottom menu and tap on where your Cash App money balance is shown. Once you do that, you will land on this other page. On this page, Cash App is showing you many different options where you can manage your money. You will see options such as Add Money and Withdraw. To take money out of your Cash App balance, tap Withdraw. Once you do that, this page appears where there is a menu that has a slider. You can pull the slider around to adjust the amount you would like to withdraw. You can also tap on your balance, and that will allow you to enter the amount manually. Once you have entered the amount and proceed, you will land on this page here. On this menu, Cash App gives you two options: Standard Transfer and Instant Transfer. The standard option is usually free and takes about 1 to 3 business days to reach your bank, while the instant option sends the money immediately, but includes a small fee. So, choose your preferred transfer method and confirm the withdrawal to complete the process. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to withdraw money from Cash App.